So when you look at the screen right now, you can see that we have a clear uptrend. It's signified by a series of higher highs and then a yellow patterns like that. So we can see also spot that for every time the market formed this candlestick pattern right here, okay, this candlestick pattern right here, you can see that that's when we got our turning points. Okay, so this candlestick pattern is what we call the bullish harami. The bullish harami is signified by previous bearish candle which is strong or which is big, and then a tiny candle which is bullish, something like this. So in this video we are going to be looking at the bullish harami. Okay, let's dive in. So we are looking at the bullish harami, okay? And this video is going to explain everything you need to know about the bullish harami. So we said that a bullish harami is signified by a big bearish candle, this red candle you're seeing right here, and then a bullish candle which comes in is small, whereby its body is completely encompassed by the previous bearish candle. So we are saying we are on a series of a downtrend, okay? And then you form a big bearish candle. This bearish candle is going to be followed up by a small candle, either a doji or it can be any normal candle which is bullish, but its body is entirely covered by the previous bearish candle. Okay, so this would look like an engulfing pattern, though the basic difference is that when you get a bearish candle, it would be engulfed by the bullish candle. So the reverse of this would be the harami, or what we call the insider bar. So you have number one, a big bearish candle followed by a tiny candle which could be a doji sometimes, or in most cases it is going to be like that. Or another one is going to be a big bearish candle and then a tiny candle in the middle of the body of this previous bearish candle. So you can have to look at these three different aspects. We have this one whereby it's followed by a doji. Then you have this one. They have the same lows, okay, on the bodies, same lows on the bodies. Don't mind the wicks. And then there's this one whereby the low of the subsequent bullish candle is slightly higher. Okay. So bullish harami or insider bar is two candlestick pattern in which the first candle is vertically encompassed by the one which follows it. So this candle is encompassed by this candle here. Okay, so that is what we call the harami. Or you can also see it here that this candle is encompassing this candle here. So this one becomes a bullish because it's occurring on a downtrend, and then this one was occurring on an uptrend, so it becomes a bearish. So a harami or insider bar can be indicative of exhaustion of or an onset of a new reversal. So when we are having a clear downtrend, because right now we are looking on the bullish side, so we have a clear downtrend like this, okay, and then here we form a big bearish candle, and this big bearish candle is followed up by a tiny candle which could be a doji in most cases, or it could also look like this, whereby they share the same lows, or it also would look like this, where the low of this coming bullish candle is slightly higher. Okay, so when we see this, we expect that there is going to be a reversal signal into a new uptrend, and then what we do is to wait to confirm for this uptrend. Okay, so on this candle we are going to be spotting some bullish haramis or insider bars, and we can also be able to see them right here. Okay, we can also be able to see them right here, and you can see that every time they were formed, the market changed significantly. You can also see them here, and then still you can see it here. So the three aspects we looked at might not be shown up or like clearly, but when you look right here, we have this aspect whereby they share the same low, and then here they still share the same low. And then when you look here, you can see that we have a doji on this big bearish candle. And what happened next was a very big price movement into an uptrend on all cases. You can also see it. So we want to see where is our entry points and our exit points. So when you get this harami, for example, right here, you can see that we have here a big bearish candle down. You have a doji. Okay, so the body of this candle here is covered by the body of this candle. So what happens is that we wait for a big bullish candle as a confirmation candle. So right here we have this big bullish candle, and then we can make our entry from here, and then our stop loss is going to be 1.5 of the ATR. And then the same thing happens here. You have this big bearish candle, and then followed by this candle which confirms the Harami, but we don't have a big bullish candle. And then this candle here is bullish but not so clear, so it looks tiny. Then this one, the third candle, which was following 1, 2, 3, this candle here is a clear bullish candle. So our entry point was here, followed by a stop loss, because sometimes you can form this. Or you can say that the price goes down, you form your candlestick pattern right here. Okay, after forming the candlestick pattern, the price goes up a little, then it retraces, and then it comes your way. So to avoid this stop out, we normally put a stop loss, for example, entry is here below the Harami. Okay, or in most cases it is 1.5 of the ATR. So that is it. When you see Harami, okay, you wait for a bullish confirmation candle, and then after this bullish confirmation candle, that's when you put your entry. Stop loss is 1.5 of the ATR, and then you can be able to catch the wave down. So in recap, okay, it happens on a downtrend for the bullish Harami. Then you get a candle which is bearish, big bearish candle. It could be followed up by a doji. Okay, so for example, in this case right here, you could see it followed by a doji. Or sometimes it's going to be followed up by a bullish candle, but this bullish candle have the same lows, but the previous candle, which is bearish, covers the body of this new bullish candle. For example, right here, you can see it, and also right here. Or in most cases, in other cases, which are not so common but very strong, when you find that the bullish candle which is following up does not share the low with this bearish candle, but this bullish candle's body is fully covered by the body of the previous bearish candle, and then we can be able to make our entries. So there is this scenario is followed by a doji, another scenario is followed by a bullish candle where they share the low. Here they do not share the low. So thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. My name is Jordan. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and for support.